Welcome to Moto Reviews, where we bring you in-depth insights into the latest motorcycles. Today, we're looking at the Hero HF100, a budget-friendly commuter bike designed for efficiency, reliability, and affordability. Let's dive into what makes this bike a great choice for daily riders. Engine and performance. The Hero HF100 is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces 7.91 brake horsepower and 8.05 Nm of torque. It features Hero's X-Sense technology with fuel injection, ensuring better fuel efficiency and smooth performance. The 4-speed gearbox provides seamless gear shifts, making it ideal for city commuting. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the HF100 is its exceptional mileage, delivering around 70 km per liter, depending on riding conditions. With a 9.1-liter fuel tank, this bike offers an impressive range, reducing the need for frequent refueling. Design and comfort. The HF100 sports a minimalist yet practical design, featuring a black-themed body with red accents. Its long and comfortable seat ensures a fatigue-free ride, even during long commutes. The upright riding posture and well-positioned foot pegs enhance overall comfort. Brakes and suspension. For safety, the bike comes with 130mm drum brakes on both ends, providing adequate stopping power. The telescopic front forks and dual spring-loaded rear suspension ensure a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Price and verdict. The Hero HF100 is one of the most affordable bikes in its segment, priced competitively to cater to budget-conscious riders. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance commuter bike, the HF100 is a great choice. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Moto Reviews for more updates on the latest bikes. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.